In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then choose All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current screen lock. Then hit the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!